Good morning, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you my binary option trade of the day. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, like, comment on Happy Forex's YouTube channel because it's a fantastic channel. And if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. You really are, and you should definitely be subscribed. All right, so let's get into the trade. It was a EUR-USD 60-second option, as you can see here. It was a put option. And I'm going to show you, even though it was a small win, I'm going to show you why I was still confident in the win. So over here you have the 1 minute chart, which was what I was trading off of. And as you can see, it started to trend a little bit upwards, but there was some indecision that was showing up on the chart, which meant that there was most likely going to be a pullback at some time, if not a complete reversal of the trend. And so as you can see over here, there was my first indicator that there was probably going to be something, there was going to be a pullback at some point. There was this really tiny body and a large wick on this candle, and that's pretty indicative. That's indicative of the price trying to go up and then sellers forcing it back down. And as you can see, there was a small body over here and another one over here, but this was the real key indicator for me that there was going to be a pullback coming up soon. And again, it happened up here, and this is where I took my entry. So when I saw that it tried to rise and it was heading back down, that was where I decided I'm going to put my put option. And of course, the next candle was red. I shouldn't say of course, because nothing is certain in any market. There's just probability, and so the probability was very high, so it worked out in my favor. As you can see, the stochastic was pointing to overbought conditions. The RSI, which I changed the color, by the way, because I got some comments that some people couldn't see it. So the RSI was also indicating the same thing. So basically, I think the lesson of the day to take away from myself, and maybe if you want to share in the same lesson too, is just watch the charts for a bit. I know that these are 60-second options, and I've got some comments from other people that had seen the video, and they were like, "Oh, well, 60-second options. That means I don't have to trade that long. I can just trade quickly and then get out." Well, no, that's not true at all, because the truth is that you're still going to have to do the same kind of fundamental research, so to speak. And what I mean by that is you don't have to crack open like 20 different books and try to figure out what's going on. I mean, that you should be aware of what's going on in the world. So for example, just check the news, definitely look up Business Insider's top 10 things you should know about the market today. Check what the Forex calendar is going on. There's a great Forex calendar over at DailyFX. And also just sit in front of the chart for like a bit. Don't be afraid. If you're like me, you'll grab maybe breakfast or whatever and just sit and watch the chart for a bit and just see what's going on. You don't even have to trade. You can make paper trades on a piece of paper or whatever, and just try and see why things are moving in which direction. And eventually that'll pay off in big, because you'll see that your trades will become much stronger. And I know I can attest to this myself, because when I first started trading, it was a nightmare. I was just back and forth, and I mean, I consider that tuition money lost, but it still hurts a little bit to know that I spent that much money and lost it. So if you just paper trade for a little bit and then move to demoing and then eventually to a live account, you'll notice that just by sitting in front of the charts, you're going to have a much better appreciation for what's going on, and you're just going to understand things a lot better. Also, you'll be able to notice, like for instance, I have some indicators on here, while Rich doesn't have indicators on his chart because he just trades basic pure price action. You'll notice that your indicators will, sometimes you'll notice that they're not working as well. And then basically you'll be able to take and apply that knowledge further on as you look at charts throughout your time trading, when to trust your indicators and when to not take them, to heed their advice so obediently. All right, so that's pretty much my trade of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you... if you have any comments or anything that you want to say, please leave it in the video, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure you comment, link up, like, favorite, and subscribe to the Happy Forexer channel, because it's a great channel, as I always say. And it really is, and I can't sing enough praises about it, because it's one of the best tools I have in my arsenal for trading binary options. All right, so I hope you have a great Friday, and to our U.S. Friends, have a great Memorial Day weekend. To everyone else, have a great weekend, and happy trading.